MLA barim kamau plang Bah JA Lyngdoh ubalong ru Menteri Sarkar barim ke jela hakasni thoding ulalet ban penyaso no elade bat keseng Congress bat banyak kunru yaki Elekshon MLA arajar arpaulai na North Shillong Constituency kumukertong ka Congress. MLA barim kamau plang Bah JA Lyngdoh ubalong ru Menteri Sarkar barim ke jela hakasni thoding ulalet ban penyaso no elade bat keseng Congress bat banyak kunru yaki Elekshon MLA arajar arpaulai na ka North Shillong Constituency kumukertong ka Congress. Ya Bah JA Lyngdoh rengkat bakinong kersan jongu lapedang sobha dau MDC kepentor umkra Bah PNC ubalong ru unoyalam ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee rengkat ke jadon lang kinoyalam jeng ke North Shillong Block Congress Committee NSBCC ha ke jalang ke belalong ha Congress Bhavan ha Shillong. Kumbat jupen kan mau Bah JA Lyngdoh hak Elekshon MLA arajar khatpra iakhun na keseng BJP hendrai ula syak penlim no ha Bah Edelbert Nongrum. Ha unai lor mentak snem Bah JA Lyngdoh ula mi no na keseng BJP hadin makalami kekenrum kenram ha kan keseng ha ka bedai ba kecing ai tiket ban penyang kertong na North Shillong. Hadian Bah JA Lyngdoh ularung kumudukhat ke Congress kinoyalam ke MPCC kilapan benar sendon bakin penyang yau kumukertong keseng na ke North Shillong Constituency banyak kun ya ke Elekshon MLA ke Banwan. Bah PNC mulong kumu MDC kathan un ai ke jingkersan ke Bapura bat un tre shitomru ban pentikna Bah JA Lyngdoh bat keseng Congress kin job ya ke election.
After I resigned from BJP, I received a phone call. Is Bah Pensingan and Bah Erwin. Bah Pensingan and Bah Erwin. Then I have received a lot of phone calls from many old friends from the Congress party. And not only from the Congress party, even from other political parties also. But I took a decision that I think I will go back to my own parent party Congress. That's why I made that decision. I want to join the Congress party. Then that is good because the leaders realize that my joining with Congress, my joining with that will help to work for the betterment of the people. So today I am back with Congress party. Friends, I am committed to joining Congress party to strengthen this party under the leadership of Bah Vincent Parak, the president, the working president, and all the team under him. So not only for the North Shillong 17, I am here to work sincerely for the betterment of the party so that we will expand Congress party to strengthen from one corner to another corner, from one district to another district. I'll be there. I will give my support and my sincerity to all of you.